Hi everyone. Today, we're going to talk about Hibernate mode in Windows, what it is, how to enable it, and how it's different from sleep mode. When you click on the Start menu and then the Power button, you probably see the usual options: lock and sleep, shut down and restart. You can also add Hibernation mode to this menu. Hibernate is similar to sleep mode, but more powerful. Imagine you're working on your computer, maybe you have a few windows open, or an unfinished project. If you choose sleep mode, the computer goes into a low power state. And when we press any key it wakes up, and everything still works fine. But here's the catch: if there's a sudden power outage while in sleep mode, you could lose all of your open windows, projects, and unsaved work. That's where Hibernate comes in. Hibernate actually saves everything, even if your computer loses power completely. When you turn it back on, everything returns to its previous state, which is very convenient if you are working on something important. So, now we will turn on Hibernation mode together. Open Control Panel from the search bar. In the top right, change View by to Small Icons. Click Power Options. On the left, select Choose what the power buttons do. Then click Change settings that are currently unavailable. Under Shutdown Settings, check the box for Hibernate. Click Save Changes and close the window. Now, let's check it out. Go to Start, Power button, and there it is, Hibernate is now available. One important note: Hibernate can use up to 25 GB of your disk space, and if your system drive is running low, Hibernate might not be the best choice. Let's test how it works. I'll open a few windows. Go to Start, and select Hibernate. The computer shuts down completely. To simulate a sudden power loss, I'll even unplug it. Now I power it back on. And after Windows loads, boom! All my windows are still open, just like before. Nothing was lost, thanks to the amazing Hibernate mode. If you found this video helpful, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you don't miss the next video. Thanks for watching, and see you soon.